Hi guys, so today I'm going to cook some simple instant spaghetti. Everything you see here is from ALDI. That's under $1. That's 500 grams of bacon is $6. I'm using only half the pack and I chopped it up, but I put it in the freezer so I need to thaw it out. A bag of onions is $2. I've only used 2. I chopped it up. So all up, this meal is under $10 and I can probably get out 3 or 4 servings. So let's do this. Alright, so I'll fry the bacons first and just let it, the paper towel absorb the oil. You can use a more bacon if you want, or any kind of meat. I'm just choose to put this much in mine, but it's roughly 250 grams. Okay, so while the pasta is being cooked, I'm going to cook the onions. Boil at least a cup of hot water while you're cooking the onions and pasta. Pasta is almost done. Okay, onions are brown ready, so we'll throw in the bacon. I'm going to use half the bottle so I can save the other half for tomorrow. It's up to you again, you can use as much as you want. So give it a toss and then you can put as much water as you want. So I like my sauce a bit watery, so I'm just going to put water. Again, it's up to you how much water you want to put. So it shouldn't take long. Give it a good stir. Now the pasta is done, just need to drain it and dip it in cold water so it doesn't stick to each other. The water has been drained and dipped in cold water so it's not sticking to each other. Simple pasta. Just spaghetti and pasta. Thanks for watching, guys.